welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a traditional Manipuri recipe called Thoiding Asuba. Thoiding Asuba translates into grounded sesame seeds bowl, which is flavorful, healthy and easy to prepare side dish of the Mai Tais. But before we check out the recipe, let me give a big shout out to my friend Bidita Ningthosam for sharing this recipe. The ingredients required for this recipe are sesame seeds, dried red chilies, freshly chopped ginger and salt. Take a pan, then add your sesame seeds and dry roast them over a medium flame by continuously stirring. Halfway through the roasting, add the dried red chilies. Keep stirring them until the seeds are soft enough to be crushed between your fingers. Now transfer them into a mortar and pound them into a fine powder. Add freshly chopped ginger and salt. Pound them all together. The mix will turn brown and oily. Now transfer them into a bowl. Take tiny portion in your palm and roll it into balls. And just like that, our sesame balls are ready. The sesame balls have a unique earthy fragrance and roasting them have activated the oils in it. The ginger has added a zesty sweetness while the chilies a gentle heat. I'm totally in love with this delicious relish from Manipur and so you will be. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Until then, see you soon.